Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First off, thanks for all the support on the first video. I know this can be a little awkward, watching it at first because I'm awkward, it's weird talking to a camera. But thank you for all the support, it means a lot. Today I'm going to basically be going through how I turned my bedroom into a YouTube studio. I know it sounds like a little corny, like a YouTube studio, but it's literally my studio. That's all I got right now, my bedroom. And I'm going to show you guys basically the equipment I use, how I have it all set up so you guys can get some ideas for yourself. I'm going to break down the video into 3 parts: lighting, audio, and video. It's going to be a super quick video. I don't have much, but like I said, this is all I have right now. I got to work with it. And if you're kind of like in a tight space or in your bedroom, this might give you some ideas. I'll leave all the links in the description to all the gear I use. So if you guys want to check that out, you can see exactly where I purchased these and use the same exact gear. So let's just hop right into it. First, I want to talk about lighting. For my key light, I'm using the Godox SL-60W. This light is a LED light, so it gets very, very bright. It's honestly on the cheaper side, so it's not like the Aperture 120D. It's almost like a $1,000 light. This only cost me around $149, so not too bad. And it still gives that daylight, really, really bright light. I had to pair that with the 32 by 32 inch Neewer Softbox. This is basically just a diffusion source. It diffuses the light, so it's just not so harsh on your face. It gives you that soft, nice look that everyone's going for. And I have that mounted on a air cushioned impact light stand. A little trick that I learned from Carl Conrad was to put your light stand on wheels. Just makes it way easier to move around, and also if you just don't want it at your desk and you want to put it in the corner, you can just wheel it over there instead of picking up the whole light stand with the light on it, which can be a little heavy. So that is from Neewer. Their wheels, it's called like a Dolly for tripods, and it works really, really well. But like I said, that's all I use for lighting. All my other lights are off. I have one lamp on in the background that you guys won't even be able to see. But I just put that on the left hand side so it hits the left hand side of my face, and yeah, that's it for lighting. All right, on to the second part. We have audio. Audio is just as important as lighting. If I have bad audio, no one's gonna watch the video, or at least you're not gonna want to. So for audio, I have the Amazon Basics tripod boom microphone stand. This was only like $15-16 on Amazon. And I have it basically just right out of frame, so you can really hear my voice as crisp as possible instead of having it on the camera where it's too far away and it sounds very low. So this is a way better option for me. For the microphone, I'm using the Rode VideoMicro, and I have an extension cable going all the way to my camera. Like I said, this way it's just closer to my mouth. I have it pointing down towards my chin. I got that tip from Daniel Schiffer, and it just makes everything sound so much better. Keep in mind, if you're going with the combinations that I have linked in the description, you're gonna have to get this on stage 3/8 to 5/8 adapter to get the Rode VideoMicro onto this Amazon microphone boom pole thingy, whatever. I already forgot the full name of it. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, and lastly, we're gonna talk about my camera. I love this thing. It provides some great video quality. I'm actually gonna switch over to my phone though, so I can show you how I have it positioned and kind of how I have it set up. So I'm using the Sony A7C with the Tamron 28-75 f2.8 aperture. This is a great lens, inexpensive compared to some of the Sony G Masters, and I'm using the Sony A7C. This is a great little camera, compact. As you can see, this is how I usually would have it set up, but I would flip it around so I can see myself. I have it on this very, very cheap, I think $20 tripod that I got on Amazon, and I keep it at 35 millimeters. I just like the way that looks, not too zoomed out, not too zoomed in. And I have my settings, white balance auto. I have my ISO at 400, my aperture at 2.8, and 1/50 for shutter speed. So like I mentioned, this isn't much, but this is how I make these videos. Everything will be linked down in the description if you guys want to check this stuff out. I'm personally okay with all this stuff right now. It allows me to make these videos at, higher than average quality. So, that's all I need for right now. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.